to my YouTube channel, and today we are in dire need of a reset. My hair hasn't been washed in like over a week because I've been procrastinating on it. So basically you're just gonna come along with me because we need to do something about it. So you're gonna have to ignore the mess for the time being, but I just wanted to show you guys my little spring like pajamas. These are the cute little spring like pajamas for us today. They're really cute. I think they're from Bose Avenue, but yeah, anyways, I'm getting sidetracked, so let's actually go eat some food because I'm starving. Now time to tidy my room. I just put on this cutesy little outfit. I've got these little like fold over leggings from Subdued. They're so cute. And then this little like off the shoulder jumper from, it was either thrifted or as like TK Maxx, what am I on about? I live in the UK, let's be real here. And then underneath I've just got this like top from like Aritzia. Yeah. Next, we're definitely gonna have to tackle my like pile of clothes on the floor. It's not as bad as it has been in the past, but like it's still bad. There's still a lot of clothes on the floor. I'm really sorry. I know in my last video, if you watched it, I said that I would be like still posting over like the Easter holidays, but yeah, that didn't happen. So I posted like that study with me video, and then I was like at the end I was like, oh, I still have more ideas coming soon, and I was actually meant to do like a spring reset like I am right now, but I got really caught up in like exams, so yeah, that kind of didn't happen. But also after this like video that I post, I'm not entirely sure, like I haven't really got too many ideas of what like I want to do next after this vlog. Like I don't know, so tell me what you guys kind of want to see, or like some ideas that I could have, because like low-key not entirely sure what I want to do. Yeah, that's cute, but below you can't see it. So this is the state of my laundry basket. So I think we need to do a little bit about this, because I didn't put it on last week, I don't think, but also I do need to take off my sheets, because my sheets, like my bed sheets, they've not been washed in a diabolical amount of time, like genuinely weeks. shower, like an everything shower, like an everything shower, because girl, do I need one right now. I feel so icky, so disgusting. My hair is greasy, icky, disgusting. It is not okay. I've not washed my hair in a week. So, I feel like that speaks for itself. So, yeah, let me take you quickly through my, like, everything shower routine.